Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can use the frequency function. So what I want it to do is, I've got a list of student numbers basically attending a course. So these are bums on the seats if you like. So I have a training room that has possibly up to 6 desks. I want to know how many times I did a training session where only one person attended, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 people attended based on this list. So in the top there, I'm going to type the frequency function, so equals frequency, comes up, I can press tab to get that. It's asking me for the data. Well, the data is this list of students, so select that, comma, and then it wants to know the options, or it says classes there. Well, these are the options 1 to 6, and then if I press enter on that, I don't want it to fill down, I just want it to populate like this. So basically I've had one occurrence where only one person attended. If I change that to something else like 3, that goes back to 0 and the 3 picks that up. The extra 0 at the bottom is if there's anything else, so if I put 7 in there, that would pick that up as an extra number, but I would have to put that there. I'll just undo that, so it sits as 0. Now if I do the same example again on this one, where I've got test results listed in this column, the possible answers could be 1, 2 or 3. I want to know how many times there's been a 1, a 2 or a 3. So again, it's a frequency function at the top there, equals frequency, highlight the data set, comma, highlight the classes as it says here, and then just press enter, and then again it will fill that in. And if you change any of these or change to another number, if I put a 4 in there, that last 0 there will pick that 4 up. If I do undo on that to get rid of that, change some of these to 1 say, you can see the numbers changing there as I type in these test results. So it's very simple to use the frequency function. Hopefully that little video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.